guys, what's up? So in this quick video I'm going to show you how you can get this glow look challenge filter on Instagram. So this is the filter. You can tap on the screen to change your eye color. Okay, and to get this effect, visit the creator profile. Jypsyvloggin is the creator of this effect. You can follow her to unlock all her filter to your Instagram camera tree. She's having some awesome filter. Okay, so check in her filter gallery and this is the filter, glow look challenge. Tap on it. Okay, and you will see this preview. From here you can save it to your Instagram camera tray and you can tap on try to try the filter. Okay, and suppose you are not getting the effect like this, then what you can do, okay, visit this website. Link to this website I'll give you in the description box below. So here in this website you will see link to the filter. Just tap on the link and open it with Instagram. Okay, and likewise also you can get this effect on Instagram. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video. See you in the next video.